Welcome back to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for all things automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the compact SUV world, the 2025 Honda CR-V. A name that's already synonymous with reliability and versatility, the CR-V is back with a fresh new take that's sure to impress. The design evolution. The 2025 Honda CR-V is a masterpiece of modern design. Honda has taken an evolutionary approach, refining the CR-V's aesthetics while maintaining its trademark practicality. From the front, you'll notice a bold new grille design paired with sleek angular LED headlights that give the SUV a confident and futuristic look. The sculpted body lines flow gracefully from the front to the rear, creating an aerodynamic silhouette that's as functional as it is beautiful. In the back, the redesigned taillights provide a more dynamic presence, ensuring the CR-V turns heads from every angle. With a range of new color options and 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels available, there's plenty of room to customize your ride to suit your style, performance, and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda CR-V offers something for everyone. The base engine is a responsive 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering 190 horsepower and excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking a greener option, the hybrid variant combines a 2.2-liter engine with Honda's advanced two-motor hybrid system, offering a combined 204 horsepower and remarkable fuel economy. The real game changer, however, is the anticipated plug-in hybrid version. Honda's move toward electrification means you can expect an all-electric range ideal for daily commutes, paired with the flexibility of a gas engine for longer trips. Whether you choose the traditional gas-powered version or a hybrid, the 2025 CR-V is built to deliver a smooth and confident driving experience. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, has been fine-tuned for better acceleration and quieter operation, while the optional all-wheel drive system now features improved torque distribution for better handling in all conditions. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's both upscale and functional. Honda has raised the bar with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and available leather-trimmed seats. The spacious interior offers best-in-class legroom for rear passengers, along with a versatile cargo area that can handle everything from groceries to camping gear. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For tech enthusiasts, the available 12.3-inch digital driver display provides all the information you need, from navigation directions to fuel efficiency stats. The 2025 CR-V also introduces Honda's upgraded voice assistant, allowing you to control navigation, climate, and more with simple voice commands. For audiophiles, the available Bose premium sound system ensures your favorite tracks sound better than ever. Safety first. Honda has always been a leader in safety, and the 2025 CR-V is no exception. The latest version of Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of advanced safety features, comes standard across all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. New for 2025 is Traffic Jam Assist, which provides semi-autonomous driving capabilities during low-speed traffic conditions. Additionally, the CR-V now features a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda CR-V is set to hit dealerships in early 2025, with a starting price of around $31,000 for the base model. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid trims will naturally cost a bit more, but their fuel savings and added features make them a compelling choice. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CR-V is more than just a refresh. It's a step forward in the evolution of compact SUVs. With its bold design, advanced powertrain options, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, the CR-V continues to set the benchmark for what a modern SUV should be. What do you think about the 2025 Honda CR-V? Is this the compact SUV you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with future fuel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.